What's up, guys? I'm back. Tutorial here. This one deals with Call of Duty Warzone. So since last Wednesday, I've had a few people come and say, hey, this is going on. I've had some issues. So I decided to do some digging, went through Activision Warzone files, some of their coding, and discovered a few issues with it. If your game has changed in the last week on PC where it's borderline unplayable, or if you're overheating, or if you're getting developer errors or fatal warnings on your PC, Activision unlocked some frame rates and didn't really mention anything about it. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix those issues. The first thing you're going to want to do is check your Windows updates. For some reason, Microsoft, after the last update, some updates aren't showing up or aren't reminding you to update. So you click your check for updates button, and if it has any updates, go ahead and run those. Restart your PC after you run them. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go, where is it? To Nvidia. This is if you have a Nvidia system, and put in all your information, hit the search button. After this, it'll bring you to download. Go ahead and click on download. Download it, run your program. I always, when I do this, I always do it as a custom and not as the express. Custom will remove the 3D shadowing and not stack it on top of each other. So the next step in this process is going into Warzone and going to your options. You're going to want to go options, graphics, display, come down where your custom frame rate limit is. If it's on custom or unlimited, unlimited is going to use pretty much everything on your PC. You're going to want to go custom. If you have a lower end PC, that's what this is all about. Custom, and go to advanced. Your gameplay custom frame rate limit is going to be set at 250 frames per second. If you're not using a 4K monitor, or if you're having overheating problems or CPU problems, or the game just seems glitchy or laggy, drop this down, cap this at 120 frames per second. The menu custom frame rate limit is going to be set at 60 as default, which will work, and there's not a problem with that. I put them both at 120. My computer is actually a higher end PC, so I could do it either way. But as I said in the beginning, I've had some people come to me and say, hey, this is going on. I've helped them with this. And one of my buddies last night was actually telling me, he said, this is the best. I'm actually getting kills. I love this. So if you have a middle to lower end, I would say probably a 2060, a 2080 and down, I would set these as custom and lock the frames in so it can't go over, so it creates lag and feedback issues. One more step after that, go to quality. If your VRAM is in the red or close to your max, you don't want that. So what you're going to want to do is your texture resolution. The lower you have this, the less RAM it's going to use. So if it's on high and you're in the red or close to the red, drop it down one stage, so on and so forth. This texture resolution is pretty much the only thing that's going to be using your RAM and taking up a lot of your RAM. Some of the other things within your menus are gonna impact it a little bit, but it's not gonna impact it very much. This is the main one that you want to pay attention to. So with all that being said, I hope this helps. If you're having issues, go ahead and message me. I'll do whatever I can to be able to help. Again, this is Juice. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.